In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this under 5 minutes using Global Mapper. And here's the best part. You don't have to wait around for drafters or GIS folks. I'll show you how to design and optimize the site yourself and design it fast. So let's dive in. I started already with bringing some free data that comes with Global Mapper. I'll bring the pin forward so you can see where this site is. Zoom into the area a bit more so we can see the details of the site. Looks like this is a nice little land with river valley view. By the way, this is a site in the United States. So what I'm going to do next is to create a pad that's 400 by 400 feet. This site could be for a commercial development, a large barn, or maybe a mansion, assuming you just inherited a small fortune and decided you need plenty of space for yourself and perhaps your 12 golden retrievers. Anyways, for creating a square, I'm going to use a Kogo function, draw the perimeter, and create an area feature with that. With this function, you need to draw a line that is 400 feet using the bearing 0 degrees, then add a point and use 90 degrees for the same distance and follow the screen. You'll get the point. And yes, this is pretty much the only way you can draw a precise area unless you have coordinates to each corner, but that's another lesson. We are done with the square pad. I will save this layer with one of the most creative naming, which is pad lines. I know I can do better than that, but hey, I run the show. You can pick something else to your liking. Next, I'm converting the line feature to an area. There's a simple command for this. So I am going to create the terrain surface from the area, but we will first name this layer before that with another creative name, which is pad areas. Okay, now that the area is created, we cannot use it as is because the site will have a massive grade cuts. So I am going to rotate the site first, then work with developing the terrain. But before that, let me remove the green fill color. I'm just going to turn off the line layer so I can pick the areas easier. Technically, I'm done with the line layer, so we can work with the area layer only. Just right click and bring this menu and pick rotate/scale command. Make sure you use one for scale factor and pick the center for rotation. There are a couple ways to rotate an object. You can use rotate by angle or pick it from the map, which I'm going to do. I'm not looking for something precise. I just want to make the site parallel to the ridges. Okay, I think I am fine with how this turned out. Next step is to create the terrain layer. For that, we'll pick the area one more time so we can use terrain flatten feature. This is absolutely my favorite feature, and it has grown significantly. Over the years, I've been using the software, but there are some settings you must be aware of while using this command. First, you must select cut and fill equalization, then pick a proper angle for cut and fill volumes, like I do here. Since we don't have any geotech data, I'm picking 30 degrees. It gave me some volumes briefly, but you can also click on the terrain, and these values are stored in the attributes. With that, the site pad is complete. Let's switch over to 3D view so we can take a closer look. This is one of my favorite features in Global Mapper. It's simple, intuitive, and it makes site evaluation so much clearer. And if you want to go deeper into terrain modification, check out my next video on how to build a road from scratch using my own automated code, where you can plug in vehicle size, grade percentage, and design constraints. It's a fast way to create realistic road alignments and see exactly how they impact the terrain. And I guarantee you it's something you won't find anywhere else.